everyone, in this video, we will present some common myths related to COVID-19. No, COVID-19 viruses does not transmit through water while swimming. Methanol, ethanol or bleach does not prevent or cure COVID-19, rather it is extremely dangerous.
No, this does not prevent you from the virus. Many countries with hot weather have reported cases of COVID-19.
Taking a hot bath will not prevent you from catching COVID-19. No, COVID-19 virus does not spread through mosquito bites. Prevent COVID-19. Although consuming these are good for health as they have some antimicrobial properties, there is no evidence that eating these foods have protected people from COVID-19. No, but vitamin D, C and the mineral zinc can indeed boost your immune system and protect against viruses. Scientists have studied similar viruses and say it is possible to get COVID-19 more than once. No, nursing homes, prisons, and other large groups in close contact are driving the spread, but small get-togethers are still a source. There is no evidence or information to suggest that the COVID-19 virus is transmitted through houseflies.